Now what is consolidation continuation? As we saw the last topic, right? We saw the triple bottom and the triple tops. After the triple bottom and the triple tops, we know that it will go to extreme high. But what if we don't want to take a risk? We want it to be perfectly safe for us to trade. Then what we can do is, after the triple tops 1, 2 and 3 we see on a chart, we wait for the market to go back, break out again from the resistance, right? Once the market resistance is broken after the triple tops, the market will always do a retest, and this retest we will check out on a small time frame. Like if we are taking this complete structure on 1 hour time frame, okay, we need to go and see this structure to take an entry on which time frame? On 15 minutes or 5 minutes time frame. You get that? Okay. So on a small time frame, again the same logic we will apply. As soon as the support is a new support is created, we will mark it, and as soon as it goes above the last high, we will enter into the market, which is this place. We will keep the stop loss as the lowest wick, which is the last lowest wick, and that's all. We'll move up. The same thing applying on the bearish movement as well. The consolidation will continue. 1, 2, 3, and then the breakout. Once the breakout is done, we wait for the confirmation. As soon as it comes down, we mark the resistance it has created on a small time frame like 5 or 15, and then we enter into the trade as soon as the top is again broken. Now, why we need to take so much of time, why we cannot enter at this place or even at this place, is because we want to play safe. We don't want to be aggressive, correct? So that's how the continuation and consolidation is done and tested. I hope you guys understand. Let's focus on the next topic now.